The tornado risk mainly to the north and northwest suburbs. That's where our storm chaser is setting up right now. So we got you covered from the Weather Center out in the field all evening long. Let's take this hour by hour for you. This evening, in particular, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. That is the window for numerous severe thunderstorms that could include tornadoes, some of which could be strong on the level of EF2, if not higher. Destructive hail as large as maybe softballs, if not larger than that, and 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is all going to be possible with these thunderstorms moving on in. And as we head towards the latter part of the evening and beyond midnight, the flash flood threat will also increase. Some of the new data suggesting just tonight, storms could put down 1, 2, 3, maybe isolated amounts of as much as 4 inches of rainfall. But the immediate threat will be the tornado, hail, and damaging wind threat. Right now, the first watches of the day posted in DeKalb, Kane, McHenry, and Lake County here in Illinois until 10 o'clock. Chicago, we're not under a watch right now, but you better believe it. We're going to be under a watch a little bit later on tonight, so we'll keep you updated. What's going to drive these intense thunderstorms is a ton of fuel in the atmosphere. We have temperatures right now low to even mid-80s, the warmest afternoon so far this year, and the ingredients are in place for a busy night ahead. Warm fronts stretched up here towards the north, and warm fronts are something we keep an eye on because thunderstorms usually like to hug that front and spin, and that warm front is positioned right along the Wisconsin-Illinois state line. So thunderstorms developing right now, eastern Iowa. That's the mess headed our direction on its current heading east at around 35 to 40 miles per hour. We'd put it in DeKalb and McHenry County around 8:30. So that's when we really start to need to be weather aware for destructive thunderstorms capable of producing strong tornadoes. That's why the storm chaser right now, the mobile weather lab, focused out here in the northwestern suburbs in McHenry County. Here's one of the models showing increasing thunderstorm activity during the 8 o'clock hour, 9 o'clock hour. And what's interesting about this particular model is that it congeals into a line of thunderstorms, of intense thunderstorms producing large hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, and yes, even flash flooding. So 10 and 11 o'clock and even after midnight, rounds of showers and thunderstorms are in the mix and may even have lingering areas of heavy rain for the first part of the morning commute. There's another weather alert for tomorrow, not just a chance of rain for your Wednesday morning, but look at this, another round of potentially severe thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. And this new data suggesting another round of more widespread severe weather and flash flooding for tomorrow night that could even linger into the Thursday morning commute. So we have weather alerts posted now through at least Thursday night. We'll keep you updated. 65 degrees for tonight with a severe weather threat on the increase, especially after 8 p.m. Some of the thunderstorms could be severe even as we head towards tomorrow. Multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms with a high temperature near 80 degrees as we head towards your Wednesday. Coming in the afternoon, another round tomorrow night. That could increase the flash flood threat. Showers linger into your Thursday morning, and a heads up. Friday night plans, got to maybe have a little wiggle room. Another severe weather threat in the forecast Friday night and lingering into the early morning hours on Saturday. Finally, a cooler and more stable weather pattern, but look at the high on Sunday of only 48 degrees. We'll keep an eye on the radar all night for you.
Sounds good. Thanks, Albert.